In a world where everyone is rushing, where people barely look up from their phones, it's easy to forget that small acts of honesty still exist. This is the story of a young girl from a quiet American town. A girl who made a choice that, well, it changed her life forever. A choice that looks tiny on the outside, but inside, it's powerful. This is the story of the girl who returned a lost wallet. It was a cold Saturday morning in Maplewood. One of those towns where everybody waves at everybody, even if they don't remember your name. 12-year-old Emily Carter was walking home from the library, hugging her favorite book like it was treasure. Emily wasn't extraordinary in the usual ways. Not the most popular, not the fastest, not the kid who wins every award, but she had something else. Something rare. A heart that whispered, "Do what's right." As she walked past the bus stop, she spotted something under the bench. She froze. A wallet. A brown leather wallet. She opened it carefully. Inside were $240 in cash, a stack of credit cards, and a driver's license. Michael Anderson, it said. She looked around. Nobody. Just quiet streets and cold air. Her heart thumped because, come on, $240 is a lot of money when you're 12. Actually, it's a lot of money even when you're an adult. A little voice inside her whispered, "You could keep it. No one will ever know." But then another voice, stronger, calmer, said, "Yes, but you will know." Emily started walking home holding the wallet like it weighed 100 pounds. Her family wasn't doing great. Her mom worked 2 jobs. Her dad, he'd been laid off a while back. Money was tight. And $240, it could buy groceries, pay a bill, replace her worn-out shoes. She imagined her mom's relieved smile. She imagined walking into school with shoes that didn't squeak when she moved. For a moment, she just stood there on the sidewalk, thinking, breathing. Then she heard her dad's voice in her memory. "Emily, money can buy many things, but a clean heart, once you lose that, you can't buy it back." She blinked fast. And that was it. Decision made. Emily tried the police station. Closed. Weekend hours, of course. She checked the address on the license. 17 Oakwood Lane, 2 miles away. She pulled her scarf tighter, took a deep breath, and started walking. The cold bit at her cheeks. Her legs grew tired, but she kept going. 45 minutes later, she reached a small blue house with a porch that creaked when she stepped on it. The door opened. A tired-looking man stared at her. "Can I help you?" Emily held out the wallet with both hands. "Sir, I think this is yours." He blinked, then blinked again. He grabbed the wallet and opened it fast. "Oh my God, I thought I lost this at the grocery store." He checked inside. Cash, cards, everything was there. He looked at Emily, eyes watery. "You don't understand. If I didn't find this, I wouldn't have been able to pay my rent today. I would have been evicted." Emily's lips parted. She hadn't realized her honesty could mean this much. The man reached in and pulled out some bills. "Please," he said, voice shaking, "take $100. It's the least I can do." Emily shook her head quickly. "No, sir. I didn't do it for money." He paused, speechless. Then he smiled. A slow, warm smile that meant everything. "What's your name?" "Emily. Emily Carter." "Well, Emily, the world needs more people like you." And he meant it. Emily walked home feeling lighter than air. But that night, there was a knock at the door. Her mother opened it. It was Mr. Anderson, holding his little boy's hand and standing beside a woman who looked like she'd been crying. "We wanted to thank Emily properly," he said. He handed Emily an envelope. Inside was a $5,000 scholarship fund for Emily's future. Her mother gasped. Her father covered his mouth. Emily just stood there, stunned. Mr. Anderson knelt down and said, "You didn't take a single dollar from my wallet, but your honesty is worth more than everything inside it." Emily didn't become a celebrity. Her story didn't go viral, but she gained something far more powerful. She learned that honesty is a superpower that builds trust, that opens doors you never even knew existed, that makes the world softer, kinder, better. So the next time you face a moment where the easy choice is the wrong one, remember Emily. Remember that wallet, remember that cold walk, and remember that the world changes one honest choice at a time. Thank you for listening. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.